job? Because if you're gonna do that, then I would just take some of this. This is a really good way to practice brush technique too. So for the leaves of the tulips, I'm going to press down really hard at the base, and then as I drag up, I am slowly taking off pressure. Okay, so again, I'm just going to put a line there, right? The center.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
There you go. Nice. Behind is darker, it automatically looks like two separate flowers. Sharp point. So play with the weight. That's it. What do you think? I hope to see you guys next semester. One piece of advice, don't quit on a bad day. Quit on a good day. If you quit on a good day, then you know for sure that it's not for you. If you enjoyed, at least, if you walked away from like 3 or 4 classes and you were like, this is a lot of fun, stick with it because it will get easier, I promise.